Hey everyone, it's Mrs. K. Today we're going to learn how to play the cup game. So sitting at a table, all you need to do is grab a plastic cup, doesn't matter what size. Don't use glass. So we're going to break it down into 2 steps. In the first step, try it really slowly with me. It goes like this. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab with your right hand, and then pass it. Try that again with me. Step 1. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, pass. We're going to bring it up to speed. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, pass. That's step 1. Step 2 is a little bit harder, so move it back over to the side. Step 2. You're going to clap your hands, turn your right hand upside down so your thumb is facing the table. You're going to underhand grab the cup. You're going to touch it with your left hand. Bring it back down to the table. Now you're going to change hands. You're going to pat your right hand down and then pass it over top. So step 2, super slow motion, goes like this. Ready? Clap, grab, hand, table, change, pat, pass. Try it again. Clap, grab, hand, table, change, pat, pass. Let's try steps 1 and 2 together. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, pass. Step 2, clap, grab, hand, table, change, pat, pass. Keep practicing these steps and pretty soon you'll be able to do it up to speed. Here's up to speed. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, pass, clap, grab, hand, table, change, pat, pass. Enjoy.